Hey everyone, it's Leanne, and I just wanted to quickly go over the 21 Day Fix eating plan to help you prepare your meal plan for the upcoming days. If you don't plan ahead, you can use your tally checklist, but you may find that at the end of the day you have way under-eaten, or you have omitted all your veggies, or you have not had enough fruit, or you have not had enough protein. So by planning ahead, it will make sure that you try to get in all of your containers for the day. So you've figured out your calorie need. You've found which level you are in that corresponds to that calorie level. Now all you have to do is look at your containers and how many of each container you need in a day. So that's your target. So for me, this is level 2, and I just went and got some construction paper to match the colors with the containers and wrote on there what they are so that it reminds me. And I've planned out a day here, and this can change from day to day. You don't have to have it the same every day. You can aim for your 5 meals and 2 snacks, or you can aim for 6 smaller meals throughout the day. It's up to you. Just stay balanced, meaning if you're going to have a carb from grains, you should combine it with a protein. So this typical day for me would show that I'm going to get up first thing in the morning, have a protein, a carb, and a fruit. So that could be Greek yogurt, oatmeal, and some blueberries. And after I get my daughter off to school and I've had an hour or so to digest, I'm going to do my workout. And I like to have Shakeology as my post-workout meal. So, got my Shakeology cup, and the way I like my Shakeology is we've got a red for Shakeology. I like almond milk. I like a tablespoon of natural peanut butter, and I have been cutting back, but in this instance I'm showing you that's where I'm using all my, not all my, but some of my oils and nut butters. And then if you want to do a half a banana in there or some other berries, that makes it delicious and a perfect post-workout meal. Now, if you're skipping breakfast, you have a hard time, then I suggest you do your Shakeology first thing in the morning to get you going and get your metabolism fired up. A couple hours later, it'd be time for lunch, and this would be a typical grilled chicken salad. So you've got your lean protein drizzled with some olive oil as you cook it, your vegetables in your salad, your romaine lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, all that good stuff, your dressing, and maybe some cheese or some cheese and avocado combined. You'll notice that in all the categories you only get one of each of these containers, and this one can be used for your dressing. It's also used for seeds. I've used it before. If I'm not having a salad with dressing, I put flaxseed over here in my oatmeal in the morning. So that's another way to have it, just showing you. And this will actually hold about a half of a mashed avocado, so it's quite a bit. So I've taken I've put the avocado in there, and on the other side filled it with cheese, and so I get both. So it doesn't mean you have to have all avocado or all cheese. So, and actually, if you want to split this up and only do half for this meal, and you want to have half on this meal, go for it. But you only get one a day. So maybe you want to make a smaller one of these cards and split it up. I'm showing here, maybe grab a purple container full of grapes to snack on in the afternoon. And then for dinner, I'm just going to have a protein, 2 veggies, and a grain. So this could be a pork chop and some broccoli and squash that's stir-fried. And if I was going to stir-fry it, I would definitely have to pull some of my nut butters from the morning and make sure I use them over there. And I do like my veggies stir-fried instead of steamed, and I love using coconut oil. And then this could be a sweet potato. So there you have it. You can see how you can mix and match to get your things. Once you've got an idea of what you want to eat for the day, what you have on hand, what you have bought at the store recently, you can plan out your day like this, then write it down. So I say, okay, today or tomorrow or the next day, however many days in advance I'm planning, I'm gonna have this, this, and this. I'm gonna have yogurt, oatmeal, and blueberries. And then I write that down. And on that same day for my next meal, I'm gonna have my Shakeology with almond milk, with 2 teaspoons of peanut butter and a half a banana. And I write it down. Now we know that things happen, and sometimes I don't feel like eating what I was thinking about eating. We'll just change it up. If you get up in the morning and you don't have your first breakfast and it's the way you planned it, say maybe you decided you wanted to have eggs. Now, the best way I can get my greens in is by doing that. So maybe I'm gonna have eggs, 2 eggs with spinach and some fruit and a tortilla. Now all I've done is moved that veggie over there and I've taken it off of this one. So maybe I'll go, okay, well, I'm still gonna have the salad, so I really just pulled a veggie from dinner. So does that make sense? Do you have any questions? If you have them, just post them below or shoot me a message and I can help you.